Hi guys, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed how to compare the numbers and we have solved some problems of exercise 1.1. And in this particular class, we are going to solve the remaining problems. Exercise 1.1, fifth problem. Write the numbers in words. Here, he gave some numbers and he wants us to write the numbers in words. We have already discussed the place values of each number. Let's see what they are. Generally, the number place values contains starts from ones, tens, hundreds, in thousands. We have thousands and 10,000s. See, generally we have studied up to 10,000s. Here, he gave the number 72642. Here, 2 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place, and 7 is in 10,000s place. Let's write down on the place values. 2 is in ones place, and 4 is in tens place, and 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands, and 7 is in 10,000s place. Here, to write in the words, here we see in thousands we have 72. So 72,000 600 42. Similarly, here 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place, and 5 is in 10,000s place. Let's write out. 5 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and 3 is in hundreds place, 5 is in thousands place, and 5 is in thousands place. Here in thousands we have 55. So 55,000 300 45. See, similarly, we try to solve the third problem. Here he gave 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 6 hundreds, 6 in thousands, and 6 is in 10,000s. Here, ones in 0, tens is also 0, 100 6, 1000 6, and 10,000s also 6. Here in thousands we have 66. So 66,000. Here we have 600, and in tens and ones we have 0. So combinedly we write as 600. And in your textbook you have one more problem. Now try to solve the problem by yourself. Now coming to the sixth problem, write the numbers in figures. Here he gave the numbers in words. In this previous problem, he gave the numbers and he wanted us to write the words. Here he gave the numbers in words and he wants us to write the numbers in figures. So as we know, ones, tens, hundreds, in thousands we have thousands and ten thousands. Here he gave 40,000. So in thousands we have to write 40,000. 200 means 270. 70. So the answer of this is 40,270. Now coming to the second, 14,000. It means we have to write 14 in thousands and 64. See, here we have hundreds and here we don't have hundreds. So the hundreds value is 0 in this problem. And 64. 64. So the answer is 14,064. Now coming to the third, here 9,000s. Here we have 14,000s. Here we have 9. Here we have thousands and 10,000s. Here we don't have 10,000s place. He have given only thousands. So 9,000s. So 10,000s is 0. 9,000s. 700. Here 700. Here we have 64. Here we have 70. Here he has not given anything. So the ones place and tens place are 0. So the answer is 9,700. In your textbook, you have one more problem. Using this, you try to solve. Now we come to the seventh problem of exercise 1.1. Form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4, 0, 3, 7 and find which is the greatest and smallest among them. Here he gave 4 digits. Those are 4, 0, 3, 7. And he wants us to form 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we can write any number starting with 4, starting with 3, starting with 7. But if we start this 4-digit number using 0, for suppose we take 0, 4, 3, 7. See, here 0 has no value. So it is 437. It is a 1, 2, 3. 3-digit number. But he wants us to write 4-digit number. So we should not start the number using 0. So, and he wants us to write the greatest and smallest using these digits. See, first, to find the smallest, start the number with least smallest value among these digits. Here we have 0 is the smallest, but we have to not use 0, so it becomes a 3-digit number. So 3 is the second smallest value. So start the number with 3. And in the smallest number, first number should be the smallest, and second should be second smallest, third should be third smallest, so on. So here 3. As here we have the first smallest number, use it here, 0. And the third smallest is 4. And the greatest digit in among these digits is 7. Here we have got one digit, one number. Here second number, now start it with 4. 4. You can use any numbers in these places. So 0, 3, 7. Otherwise, you can write 4, 3, 0, 7. Anyway, you can arrange the digits in any way. So, now coming to the fourth, form a number using 7. 7, 0, 3, 4. But here we got the smallest value and we have to get the greatest. So, fifth one, to find the greatest number, we have to start the number with first greatest digit among these digits. The greatest number is 7 and it should be in the decreasing order. So, greatest, second greatest, third greatest and the smallest. So, second greatest number is 4. 4. Third greatest is 3 and the smallest value is 0. Here, this is the smallest and this is the greatest. The smallest value is 3047 and the greatest number. So we can say number is 7430. Now here we come to the 8th problem. This is the last problem of exercise 1.1. Write the following numbers. Here he gave some and we want to write the numbers. Here the smallest 4-digit number. See, the greatest 3-digit number. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. And here we want the smallest 4-digit number. If we add 1 to this smallest, the greatest 3-digit number, we get 4-digit number. This is the smallest 4-digit number. So the answer is 1000. And the greatest 4-digit number. If this is the smallest, he wants us to write the greatest 4-digit number. See, here we can write 1001, 1002, so on. The 4-digit number ends at 9999. So, here ends the 4-digit number. So, this is the greatest 4-digit number. This is 9999. And the third is the smallest 5-digit number. Here we know the greatest 4-digit number. So, if we add +1, we get 9999 +1, 0, 0, 0. Here 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. C. And the last, the greatest 5-digit number. Here we have got the smallest. We can write the 5-digit numbers 10001, so on, 20,000, 30,000, up to we can write 99,999. So the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999.